Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. To travel to Maldives, we require Imuga Travelers Health Declaration Form QR code. So today in this video, let's see how to fill this form step by step. Okay, so we need to fill these both the ways, that is from India to Maldives and from Maldives to India. Arrival and departure we need to fill. So here are the document checklist. From India to Maldives, that is called arrival. First you need the flight ticket. You need not have the copy, you just need to have a information. Nothing is there to upload. And the next one you require is passport, even it is the same. You need to enter the details, that's it. The next comes the photo of yourself, the soft copy. You have to take your photo against a plain wall, plain background, and there should not be any disturbance. You cannot wear tinted glasses, cap. Okay, your face and shoulder must be covered and mouth should be closed. And next one is RT-PCR negative test report. It should be in the PDF format. And the next one is vaccination certificate. It should be in the JPJ format. So if you have all these ready in your system, you can do it very easily. Okay, let us start filling the form. So when you click the link, you will be redirected to the website. So here you have arrival and departure. If you are traveling from India to Maldives, then you have to click arrival. Okay. Then here comes the personal information. Nationality, it is Indian. First name, please type your name as it is in the passport. Passport number, carefully check your passport number and enter. And the next comes sex, male or female. The place of birth, you have to mention your place of birth. If you are born in India, then it is India. If you are outside India, then you can mention the nation you have born. And next comes your date of birth. Selects the year, month and the date. Passport expiry date, please keep in your mind minimum 6 month validity should be there for your passport. Your email address, it's usually they'll say they will mail the copy, but we have not received 3 to 4 times. And the port of entry is Velena International Airport, Maldives. Mobile number, then alternate mobile number with country code. Our country code is 91. Then again it comes, okay, then arrival date, which date you are traveling. For example, if you are traveling on 19th, if your flight is on the morning 19th, then you have to click the date. Flight number, you will be having your flight number in your boarding pass. Please check that as well. And next comes the seat number. You can mention it if you know. If you don't know, if you ignore it also, it's fine. Then the last port of disembarkation, that is as you are traveling from India, you have to click India. Duration of stay, so from the entry till the departure, how many days you are staying there, that you have to enter in numbers, that is 5. Country of residence, which country you are staying. India. And next comes the mode of transport. Mode of transport is by air. So next one is photo of your, okay, choose a file, and the next comes the place of residence. You have to mention your address in India. So I'll write here my address. So need not enter everything. Okay, so next comes which island you will be staying in. So what we stayed is, so it will be mentioned here. So only these are the one which got the permission there. So atmosphere, Konifushi, Maldives. Which facility guest house you will be staying in. So as you are not staying in the guest house, so ignore this. Purpose of your trip, holiday. And do you want to enroll as a member of Maldives Border Miles, the world's first destination loyalty program? If you're interested, you can go, but it is not mandatory as of now, so you can just select no. Purpose of your trip is holiday. And the next comes address in Maldives. Kindly mention the one which is you have booked for your stay, the name of your resort. So employer name, per member, permit expiry date, all these things are not required. The next comes the information about the COVID, yellow fever, as we are not traveling from any location which has yellow fever, so you can just ignore this. Next, you can travel to the section COVID-19. Have you had any of the following symptoms? Just click no. Then the next comes, is your travel planned? Yes. Return date, so mention the date when you are returning. Okay. Does your return destination country require proof of negative PCR test? Yes. If you are traveling back to India, yes, we require that. Do you have a proof? Yes, we do have a proof. Click S. PCR test report copy. So select choose file. Then you can attach. And next comes the PCR tested date. So if you are traveling on 19th, so it should be tested on 17th. Okay, so PCR test result, of course it has to be negative. Then comes the next section, COVID-19 vaccination. So need not worry if you are vaccinated, well and good. If you are not vaccinated also, it's okay, it doesn't make any difference over there. Dose 1, yeah, if you have information you can mention that, or else you can just ignore that. Okay, fine. So proof of vaccination, here you have to file, select, which should be an image file. So you can just download your COVID vaccination certificate and you can take a image format and you can upload the file. And next comes travel history. If you have traveled any of the places in last 14 days, then you can mention those countries. If you are not traveled, you can just mention India. And next comes the submit button. Okay, so after the submission, because I have not uploaded, that's the reason it is asking for. So afterwards you will get your QR code. You can download that into your mobile and you will be done with the health declaration. Even for the departure, that is from Maldives to India, you require to fill the IMUGA form. So again, click on the link. You will be redirected to the site. Here, click on the departure. While traveling from India to Maldives, you have clicked on arrival. Now, if you are traveling from Maldives and back to India, here you have to click departure. So the document checklists are again the same. Your passport for the detail and your ticket information, and next comes your photo, PCR negative test report, it should be in the PDF format, and your vaccination certificate, which should be in the JPG format. With these, you can fill the details again. While departing, keep your QR code in your mobile itself. because before entering the airport itself, they'll ask you for the Imuga QR code. They'll scan it. Later, they'll allow you to enter the airport. Thanks for watching the video. If you have any doubts, if you need to have more information, please comment below. I'll reply you. I'll be there to help you always. Thank you for watching. Please like, please share and subscribe my video. Thank you.